Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. I am Tabassum Shafiq from Multan Public School and College. I welcome you all on our YouTube channel, Multan Public School and College for Boys and Girls. Its lesson of Level 2, Subject Islamiyat, is taught by Ms. Rehana Sattar and voiceover by Ms. Tabassum Shafiq. Unit 8, Mosques. So dear friends, can you tell me what do you know about mosque? Why we visit mosque? Perfect. We visit mosque to offer our prayers. And also the male members of the family visit the mosques. Let's move to the topic. What is mosque? A mosque is a place where Muslims pray. In Arabic, mosque is called masjid. Masjid means a place to perform sajda and worship Allah. Of all the places in the world, Allah likes a mosque the most. So friend, keep in mind that mosque is a place to pray. An Arabic name of mosque is masjid. Masjid means a place to perform sajda. Very good. And do you know what is the favorite place of Allah Almighty on this earth? Yes, masjid. Allah likes masjid the most. Where can we find the mosque? You can find the mosque in your locality. It's mean around your home, around your school, around your playgrounds. Everywhere easily we can find the mosque. But there are hundreds and thousands of mosques all over the world. And Muslim countries have mosques in every locality. Other countries where Muslims live and pray also have mosques. It means in the world we have hundreds and thousands of mosques, and we can see mosques around our locality. Who does call out azan? A muezzin calls out azan on a prayer time from the mosque. Most mosques also have minarets from where the azan is called out so that it can be heard even at a distance. So dear friends, who calls out the azan? A muezzin. How many times in a day? 5 times a day. And from where? From the mosque. So muezzin calls out azan from the mosque 5 times in a day. What is mihrab? A mosque usually has a prayer hall with a niche. It's a small place in the front wall of prayer hall to show the direction of Kaaba. This is called mihrab. The people saying their prayers are called namazis. Dear friends, actually mihrab is the central point of the front wall of a mosque that shows the direction of Khana Kaaba, because we all offer namaz facing Khana Kaaba. Who does lead the prayer? The Imam leads the prayer and the namazis stand behind him in rows. A row is called saf. A group of namazis is called jama. or Jamaat. So, dear friends, two persons are there in the mosque. First person who calls out azan is called muazzin, and the second person who leads the prayer is called imam. Behind him, all the Nibazis stand and start their prayer. And every row after Imam is called Saf. It's mean as the people are standing in queue, it's called Saf. And the group of people, it's mean as many people are gathered for namaz, collectively are called Jamaat. Dear friends, on this slide we are going to talk about the third person who is Khatib. Khatib delivers khutbah on special occasions like Friday prayers, Eid prayers, and some other occasions. During khutbah, that person sits in front of the people on a high chair or a mimbar so that everyone can hear and watch easily. Usually, a khatib is a scholar who has a good knowledge of Quran, Sunnah, and Hadith. So, dear friends, a mosque is a holy place where people come to pray and also to read the Quran. As every place has some kind of etiquettes that we have to follow, same as it is, mosque has some etiquettes. Mosque must be kept clean and neat. Shoes and anything else which is not clean are not allowed inside the mosque. Clear? So, dear friend, it was our lesson. Now, you will tell me about some terms that are used in the lesson. Let's move. So, dear friends, it's your turn to tell me about all these terms. Are you ready, guys? Very good. So, first term is mosque. What is mosque? Mosque is a place to worship Allah. Mosque is a place to offer prayer. And what is the meaning of masjid? Yes, a place to sajda. Who is muazzin? Muazzin calls out azan 5 times a day from the mosque. It's called muazzin. And imam? Very good. Imam leads the prayer. Imam leads the prayer. Khatib. What do you know about khatib? Yes, khatib delivers khutbah on special occasions like Eid, Hajj, and Jumatul Mubarak. Usually, he is a scholar, a learned person who has learned about Quran, Sunnah, and Hadith. What is Mihrab? Very good. Mihrab is a place that shows the direction of Kaaba in the mosque. Perfect. What is mimbar? Where Khatib sits on high place is called mimbar. Well done, guys. You all are amazing. Very good. I think now you are clear about these all terms. So keep in mind these all terms and you have to fill in the blanks at the end of this lesson given in your book. Open your book. So dear friends, here we have fill in the blanks that you have to fill on your book at the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned a lot. Keep all the terminologies in your mind and you have to prepare the question answer that I will provide you in the form of PDF. Learn them and note them on your notebooks. Thank you. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.